I am happy today. I was happy yesterday. I become tired easily. I became tired after running. I begin my work at 9 a.m. I began my work late today. I break a plate sometimes. I broke a plate yesterday. I bring my lunch to school. I brought my lunch yesterday. I build sandcastles at the beach. I built a sandcastle last weekend. I buy fruits every day. I bought some apples yesterday. I catch the bus in the morning. I caught the bus late yesterday. I choose chocolate ice cream. I chose vanilla yesterday. I come to school by bike. I came to school late yesterday. I do my homework after school. I did my homework yesterday. I drink water every day. I drank juice yesterday. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I ate pancakes yesterday. I find my keys quickly. I found my keys in the bag. I get good grades at school. I got an A on the test. I go to the park on Sundays. I went to the park yesterday. I have a small dog. I had a cat before. I know the answer. I knew the answer yesterday. I make my bed every morning. I made breakfast today. I see the birds in the tree. I saw a bird yesterday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.